Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D's Star TV News. In this segment, na still waiting happen in Olo when we go talk about. We go learn waiting IPOB worldwide tell the world now. The headline says IPOB accepts the Nigerian military war challenge, vows to protect Biafran lands. Not be news again say army people or the military people or the soldier people. Anyhow when you want call them brother. Not be news again say then go Olo. Go they bomb innocent or low people when they on their own. Up to today, the army people never still can tell the world the reason why when they go bomb or low or when they go bomb people when they at peace. But the places when not they at peace in the northern part of the country, they not go bomb anybody there. They not go bomb anywhere there. They not go bomb any homes there. They not go bomb people when they live in that area where they get problems in Nigeria, where they groom terrorists. They not go bomb where terrorists use their two legs stand up for ground. They not go bomb there. Now where peace day? Now him army people. I don't tell them I say they not be army people low, but then they talk say they be army people. Now them they talk. But these people when go do this thing, now Boko Haram people, when the FG people that they use them against Biafran people, I then go do that thing yesterday. Because no army man when get common sense, when in head they walk. When we just stand up because their leaders tell us, oh yeah, me wanna go bomb innocent people low, then we just go they bomb their people. I'm not sure see army people, a trained soldier man when they get common sense, go do that. Now only terrorist people, now them they do all this kind of thing. That is why they tell us see this bombing of Olo yesterday. Now Boko Haram when Fulani government pay to go do this job. Now then go do that thing. They want to take Biafran land by force. But after they don't do that thing finish, now him IPOB people come out say they don't already accept Nigerian military war challenge and they come vow say they no go ever back down. You know when somebody tell you say he don't accept your challenge, you know the meaning of that. And a dear IPOB worldwide stand. Before Nnamdi Kanu roll out his ESN security network, we never hear Nigerian army people come out before, go BBC News, go to tell and say, any Nigerian person can come join Nigerian army for free. We never hear that before. My brother, don't go join that thing, no. Because if you join Nigerian army, you know, say Boko Haram, then go take you, do Sarah. They won't kill innocent Nigerian people. This one a trap when they trap for Nigerian people. They won't kill all the men when they for the southeastern part of the country, even the southwestern part of the country. So now trap, then they can set for Oma. Before ESN come out, we never hear Nigerian government when they go carry billions of dollars, they go give criminal Boko Haram and criminal herdsmen people. We never hear them talk that. Soon as they hear say Nnamdi Kanu inaugurated the ESN, they just enter BBC, go the air nonsense, say, and now before now their people, the Fulani people, now them that they recruit in army. If you go army today, all of them Fulani people. If you go army today, All of them, 99.9% of Nigerian army anywhere in that country, na Fulani people. Even police, all the whole big positions in Nigeria, all na Fulani people. Check them out again another way now. Like Olo yesterday, the man when be the CP there, when be their boss there. And the Fulani man, ladies and gentlemen. If you go to Olu today, go check their police station everywhere. Now the Fulani people, now they occupy, now them be the CP, now them be the commissioner, now them be everything. How you go carry a northerner, a Fulani man for that matter, from the north go east, go the lead police force? I don't just understand. Or go Delta State, all of them. When you see, go Lagos today, tomorrow, any time when you go there, go check all of them. When they in army, in police, top positions, all of them are Fulani people. Okay, so a lot of bad things when the Fulani government, they don't plan for Nigerian people, and all of us, they sleep. We got to wake up from our slumbers, ladies and gentlemen, because water don't really pass Gary. How can a northerner, a Fulani man for that matter, go Igbo land, go become police commissioner or police, and that is sergeant, or all these big position when they for police or army? Now these people, now they occupy them. How come? But our people not on their side. Our people not on their side. If you check the whole north, their CP or commissioner, anyhow we want call all of them na still northerners. You know, if you see Igbo man when be commissioner in Zamfara or Katsina State or in Kano State or in Kaduna State, you can't see that. Impossible. But their people will occupy every positions when the southeastern part of the country and the southwestern part of the country. So, ladies and gentlemen, make we take a look on how the IPOB people accept the challenge when Nigerian military they challenge them. Okay? Following the militarization of the airspace of Olo by the Nigerian military, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB have vowed to accept the war challenges brought into their land. Igbos, Biafrans, mid-afternoon, Thursday, shootings periodically and leaving the communities in massive tension. Authentic News has reported how the Nigerian army invaded Olo area of former eastern region of Nigeria, predominantly Igbos, Biafrans. Mid-afternoon Thursday, shootings periodically and leaving the communities in massive tension. The Nigerian military have resolved to dislodge the Eastern Security Network operative in the forest who are protecting the land against Fulani herdsmen. Remember, say and tell you say they no fit enter Sambisa forest. But they go fit enter the one when they Igbo land. To enter Sambisa forest, then they forbid them. Now only Igbo land they go fit enter. Alright? Nigerian military are attacking ESN, Eastern Security Network. Eastern Security Network is a security group instituted to tackle Fulani herdsmen terrorists who have for ages been kidnapping, raping women, killing farmers, and ripping up villages. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, in response to the attack, has released a press statement via their directorate head, Mazichika Udozem. The press statement reads, "They have finally brought the war upon the Biafran people. The Nigerian government, through its military, has finally declared open confrontation with the Biafran people in their bid to harass, intimidate, and cow us into submission to relinquish our ancestral lands to foreign Fulani terrorists. The indigenous people of Biafra IPOB worldwide must guide their lions and be prepared for the long drawn out battle ahead. The leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra make bold to state unequivocally that there shall be no inch of land, Biafran territory, to be ceded to the Fulani murderers from the Sahel. The Nigerian army have thrown, and we, the indigenous people of Biafra, shall accept their challenge, because there will neither be retreat nor surrender on this our journey to liberty and freedom. Now that the Nigerian government has activated its final solution to the Biafran questions with helicopter gunship in Olo, they have crossed the line of no return. And for us, the indigenous people of Biafra, there is only one option that is open for us. We must defend every inch of our ancestral land, and we must defend our inalienable right to leave the land of our ancestors as a free people, to develop our Chukwukika Biama given talent for the benefit and elevation of our people, just like our ancestors did thousands of years before us. Every IPOB family, every indigenous people of Biafra family should be very conscious of the time we have entered and exhibit the highest level of discipline, and be ready to follow every directive as will be issued by Onunyindo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra worldwide. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't hear within the IPOB now, they tell us, say, man, they don't already accept the challenge, because the Nigerian military or their police or their Boko Haram carry bombers jets, carry different kind of things, come they bomb innocent people. See, now wahala now where they don't bring, come give the Biafran people in general. See, they got to stand up to defend their land, and they say they no go ever give any land to anybody that come from the Sahel, when be the terrorist Fulani people. So, ladies and gentlemen, now here we go stop. We don't hear everything when they tell us again regarding how they want to stand firmly to defend their lands. Defend yourself, ladies and gentlemen. The problem when they come regarding these herdsmen people in Nigeria, not be small problem. I don't see what they happen in Ondo or Oyo everywhere. If you think say na joke, brother, na lie, you dey lie to yourself. So, ladies and gentlemen, before you stand up, take time, press that red button there. Subscribe to my channel so that anytime when I upload, you're going to get my videos. Kudos to Nnamdi Kanu, and we keep supporting the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Now, good job the man they do. Otherwise, Nigeria for don't burn down, finish. Biafran land, therefore don't take Biafran land over long time, if not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. One love, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you and bye. Remain blessed from Canada.